for today's episode, we have our buddy's Q60. It's totally stock right now, but he gave us this amazing ISR exhaust. So, we will be installing this today. Wow, that is clean.
We got the Megan Racing wide pipe.
Right?
ISR, high flow cats.
Yes, sir.
And the catback.
Yup.
But we will be getting rid of this resonator and putting in a straight pipe.
Yes, we have been informed that we will be straight piping this because he wants it to be a little bit more aggressive sounding. So, yeah, we'll install it real quick and then we'll let you guys hear what it sounds like. I have a feeling this is gonna be super mean.
Oh yeah.
All right. The ISR catback, the Mills Garage Resonator delete, the Megan Racing Y pipe, and then the ISR is up there. Yep, so that is putting a custom exhaust on a Q60, and if you made it this far, you liked the video, so make sure to smash that like button down below. Make sure you subscribe, share with all your friends. I really hope everyone is staying safe at home during this pandemic of sorts. And now we're gonna go ahead, lower this car down, and let our buddy Eddie rev it up a little bit, let you see what it sounds like. Yeah, this thing's gonna sound mean. Cool. All right. back next time. Wow.
Let me out.
Yeah, sure.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below, and share the video, and we'll see you next time.
One last rev. Woo! That is awesome. Thunder.
Smells good.
Do 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 do.